Hey everyone, Chef Patrick here from Sabroso, and today I want to show you how to make a easy miso salmon ramen. Let's get started. In a large pot, we're going to add 4 cups of chicken stock. Now you can use a seafood stock if you have it available, but it's totally okay to use chicken stock. To that, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of premium white miso paste. Miso paste is a soybean paste. I'm going to add a ton of flavor. I'm going to mix that thoroughly so that the miso paste is thoroughly combined with the chicken stock. To that miso stock, we're going to add about 1 nub of ginger, and also about half a teaspoon of red chili paste. I'm going to mix that around. Then I have some beautiful salmon fillets. These are actually sockeye salmon with the skin on. Don't worry, we'll remove the skin once it's cooked. But we're going to layer those salmon fillets in the miso stock, and we're going to poach that very lightly. We're going to remove the ginger from the stock as well as the salmon fillets. We just want the salmon just cooked. You don't want to overcook the salmon. When you take it out, it should be firm to the touch. That's where you know it's done. To the stock, we're going to add fresh cut mushrooms. We're going to stir those around, making sure that the mushrooms cook before we add our greens. Now, traditionally you can use like bok choy or napa cabbage, but I have this green chard that I was super fresh and I didn't want to waste it, so I'm adding it to the pot. Mix that around until everything is incorporated. The greens begin to wilt by the heat of the stock. I'm going to give it a taste. We're going to add just a little bit of salt, not too much, because remember the miso already has salt in it. Give that a quick stir. The soup base is pretty much done. Now it's time to plate up. In a bowl, I added ramen noodles cooked according to the package directions. Now I'm placing my poached salmon on top, as well as the green chard and mushrooms. Now I'm going to ladle that rich and flavorful miso broth. If you want, you can add an assortment of vegetables as a garnish. But today we're just going to garnish with some sliced serrano peppers over the top. And there you have it, miso salmon ramen. Que sabroso.